Now of course everyone is going to know from the title that we're obviously going to Heathcote, and I know what the comment section is going to be. Why don't you take the VN if you're going all the way there? So I thought I'll get this out of the way at the start of the video. I actually was going to bring the car. Gerald was going to drive his 33 up and we were going to tow the VN with his Navara and trailer, but this was only a couple of days ago he sprung it on me that he was going to go, and I just don't like rushing. I wanted to service the car. I really want to do a diff before I race it again. I'm getting a bit worried this thing's going to lock up on me or something like that, and hasn't gone back up on the dyno to raise the limiter, so I don't even know if it's going to make it across the line. I don't want to go all the way there, you know, fuel both cars, entry, and then I can't even make a full pass. It's just, I'm not going to waste my time. I want to give the car the best chance it can at running the time that I want, so I'm not going to rush into it. So today I am just support crew for Gerald and hopefully some other people there that I know. So that's why I'm not taking the VN. So if you remember last time, this thing ran a 13-second pass, but this time the back is raised and 255 Mickey Thompson's. So we'll see if it makes any difference. And he only picked these up last night, just in the nick of time, or else he was going to be running on normal street stuff. The drift beamer as well.
What do you mean?
You use oil or not?
The car?
Yeah.
Really? It's probably in the catch can. No, but actually my catch can drains back. Yeah, it does take a bit of oil. But we lost a bit. We remember Daniel did that seal.
Right.
He was leaking in there.
What's there tea bag here? English breakfast. Jesus Christ. Gerald just broke his key, oh Jesus, in the boot. The key for the ignition snapped in the boot. We managed to get the piece out, but oh my god, worst case scenario. So we got the piece out. I'm going to hopefully be able to jam it in the ignition with the rest of the key and just not be able to turn this car off all day. Go, I want to see. So the piece is in there and the key. Go. Oh my god. South Africa. African ingenuity. What are you putting them on?
20? Listen, try 20.
So last time, 13.1, 120 mile an hour. With how much power? 350 torque?
I used to make 350. I don't know whether it makes that anymore.
And now with a 255 ET Street. Mate, if you don't run a 12, oh my god.
I reckon I'll do 12 easy.
Better.
I want to do 11 at least. 11.8, 11.9. So first run 12.3 at 122, and that is a massive step up from last time we were here. I ran like a 13.1, so I picked up mile an hour and almost a second, and it bogged hard off the line. So if you can get this car off the line today, 11-second pass for sure. Spot on the same again. Really?
12.3, 122.
That was shocking, man. 130 mile an hour for the F6. Mate, you're going backwards. 12.5, 122.
Oh, for fuck's sake, man.
Yes, that launch stuffed ya. That was junk.
You know what? I just dropped the handbrake.
You can tell, because you bog it hard. Oh.
The problem is it's just creeping.
Uh-oh. Broke something. You know it's getting serious when you start pushing it. Last run of the day. Oh, that was a good launch. Thank you very much. 1180, 122. Good on him. He's gonna be so wrapped with that.
Is that a 10?
No,
Oh, I was gonna say.
that's 1,000 feet.
Yeah, no, that's killer.
1180.
If only
He's
you
gonna
don't
be
know.
wrapped.
There has to be an 11, bro. That has to be. Come on. Yes, I told you.
1180.
I
That's,
knew by my
that's
wallet.
fast.
Yeah,
Could
man.
tell, as soon as you
What's
took
the
off,
road?
could tell that was gonna be a mad run.
What'd you get? 186k. I got it! I got it! Yeah!
Alright, so Gerald's car survived, but Daniel's F6 broke a uni. So we now have to swap street tyres back onto Gerald's car, put the F6 on the trailer and tow that, and we've got to drive the 33 back to Melbourne. Proof that you actually know how to work on a car.
Listen, I raised it myself. I fucking set it up myself. Tell Daniel I said thanks for fucking helping me. Normally this is meant to be his job.
That's going to be it for this one, guys. We are home safe and sound. Well, sort of, but that could be another story for another video possibly soon. Super pumped for Gerald. That made me so happy giving him that 11-second ticket. He was so pumped, and that pumped me up so much. I love seeing mates get jet up like that. So if you didn't understand from the video, 3 things went wrong. First of all, both guys, Daniel in the F6 and Gerald, both bought motocross helmets, which they don't allow you to run with, so they had to share with a third person and swap helmets around, so they couldn't run each other. And Gerald managed to snap his key inside the boot lock when he was going through scrutineering. So that was a drama. We had to remember to not take the key out during the day, or else he would not get it back in or get the broken piece out of the ignition. And then on the way home, Gerald's brother pulled the key out when we stopped and had to smash apart the ignition just to hotwire the car just to get it home. So lots of dramas, but a great day in the end. So see you guys next week.